Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to our latest listing on the range. 220 Denham Street is a magnificent home with front and rear lane access, great entertaining space and a shed to boot. Take a look. The owners have done a great job renovating this little cottage. Upstairs, they've got an open plan area with a gorgeous kitchen fit for the chef, and the master bedroom has an ensuite that everybody would love. And out on the deck, the best place in Rockhampton to entertain family and friends. And downstairs, we've got two generous sized bedrooms and a rumpus room that's fully air conditioned and the home's master bathroom. With off-street parking, established gardens and rear lane access, this home has something for everyone. Well, there you have it, 220 Denham Street, The Range. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, great entertaining area, rear lane access and a shed for everyone. If we can help you own this home, give the team at McGrath a call. We would love to help you out.